all, this is Upasana Singh, and today I'm here with so many job opportunities. The opportunities are from the companies like Goldman Sachs, Visa, Deloitte, and so many other good companies. So make sure you watch this video till end so that you don't miss any opportunity here. So the first company we are talking about is Goldman Sachs. They are here with their engineering campus hiring program. So they are hiring for new analysts and they are having their summer internship as well for them. So those students who are the graduates of 2022, they can apply for new analyst position, and the students who are graduating in 2023, they can apply for summer internship. So they are hiring for the program internship and full time. The city will be Bangalore and Hyderabad. The deadline will be January 3, 2022. So make sure you apply and don't miss this opportunity. Moving forward, they have given some of the deadlines like the registrations are from November 23, 2022, 9 a.m. to January 3, 2022, and the assessment will be starting like this: aptitude test, which will held on January 9, 2022. Technical test, which will be on February 13, 2022. This test will be only for those students who will get shortlisted by this aptitude test. After shortlisting from these all tests, there will be some technical tests and there will be interview process. The interview process will held in the 4th week of February or in the 2nd week of March. So this will be again for the interviews will be again for the students who will get selected in this technical test. So I hope all the assessments are clear to you. They will be having first of aptitude test, then technical, and then interview rounds. After that, let's discuss about the eligibility. So the eligibility requires 2022 grad for the new analyst position, and for summer internship, they want students who are graduating in 2023. This we have already discussed. That is very great thing that they don't have any other eligibility criteria. So you can definitely go for this company. You can apply for this company by clicking on this register button. So I hope the things are quite clear to you. Now let's move on to the next opportunity, that is from the Visa. So Visa is hiring for the software engineers and they are hiring for the software development or engineering role, which will be a full-time opportunity. You can apply for this position by clicking on this button. Now let's moving forward. They have also given their company description, they have given the job description and responsibilities, but the main thing is qualification, which we need to see right now. So let's see, they want educational background in computer science engineering from a premier institute. So maybe that happens, this can happen that they consider your institute as well. Now, coming on to some other preferred qualification, that they want your skills to be in Java, C Sharp, or C++. They want you to be having the in-depth knowledge of data structures. You should be having good knowledge in multi-threading, concurrency, error handling, design patterns, web services, RESTful APIs, scalability, resiliency, and you should be having good knowledge of network programming and having good object-oriented programming knowledge as well. So if you have these all skills, then you can definitely go for this opportunity. And to apply for this position, you can click on this apply for this position button. And the link will be given into our description box. Coming on to our next opportunity is from the MasterCard. MasterCard is hiring for software development engineer 1. The location will be Pune and you can apply for this by clicking on this apply now button. Now, they want you to be having bachelor's degree in information technology, computer science, or any engineering or equivalent experience. Other than this, you should be having solid foundation in computer science fundamentals, web applications, and microservices based on software architect. You should be having some knowledge in .NET framework, SOAP, RESTful, hands-on experience on Hadoop, Python, Impala, etc. So if you have some of the abilities in mentioned here, you can definitely apply for this position. Other than this, you should be having good SQL skills. You should be having experience in working with HR teams, and you should be having good analytical and problem solving skills as well. Communication is other thing they want. And now I hope the things are quite clear to you about MasterCard as well. You can apply for this company by clicking on this button. Moving forward, the next opportunity is on the Ford. Ford is hiring for the software engineer FCG. You can apply for this position and the qualifications are given here. Qualification needed is BTech. The good part of it is the number of experience they want is null, and they are considering freshers for this position. So you can grab this opportunity if you are a fresher, and you can grab this opportunity by clicking on this apply to job button. The link is given into the description box below. Moving on to our next opportunity. The next opportunity is from the Rivature India. So they want a graduate from computer science, IT, or circuit branches. The graduate can be from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, or MSc. You should be a 2021 passed out or a candidate of 2022 batch. You should be having minimum 60% in PG, UG, or 10th and 12th board exams. And overall, you should be having 60% in your throughout your academics. Other than this, they also want a person with good communication skills. And now what they will be offering is they will be offering you a 4 to 6 lakh CTC per annum. You will be having opportunity to work in product development and service integrations. Now the stipend during internship will be 5,000 per annum. Coming on to how they will be hiring through an online assessment which will be consisting of logical reasoning, algorithm, technical and coding questions. If you want such things from us, if you want videos on such things, then you can definitely let us know in the comment section below. We will come with them. After this online assessment, there will be one-on-one technical screening, and then there will be an HR discussion round. So these will be all the things that will be there in the process of hiring, and you can definitely consider this company as a good opportunity for a fresher, and you can apply for this opportunity. Moving on, the next opportunity is from the Deloitte. Deloitte is hiring for a SQL developer analyst, and the location is Hyderabad, Telangana, India. The qualification needed are BTech, MSc Software Sciences, Information Systems, and MCA. And also you should be having 2 years of total or relevant experience. I hope you got the details of this, and you can definitely apply for this position by clicking on this apply now button. Moving forward, the next opportunity is from Capgemini. Capgemini is hiring for the reporting analyst position, and the job description is given here. The primary skills will be these, that is, you should be proficient with MS Office, you should be having advanced Excel experience, and you should be having hands-on experience in Excel macros, experience in Power BI for reporting consolidation purposes in MUS. Secondly, skills they want is exposure to data visualization analytics. So you can consider this company, and you can apply for this company as well. So that is all for this video. If you like this video, then do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any queries, then you can ask them in the comment section below. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll come up with more such videos.